Hello. Good day, ma'am and sir. Thank you very much for giving me a chance to introduce myself. My name is Rica Ladrama Bias. I am 29 years old from Putsao Mountain Province, Philippines. I am single with live-in partner. We are blessed with 2 kids, females. Their age are 3 years old and 2 years old. I am college undergraduate in the course of Bachelor of Science in Tourism, major in flight attendant for 2 years in the University of the Cordilleras in Baguio City, Philippines. Madam and Sir, I have work experience in local in Baguio, Benguet, Philippines for 5 years with 2 employers. I have experience how to take good care of newborn babies, and also I have experience how to take good care of all disabled and disabled toddlers. For my first employer, I worked for her for 3 years starting May 2013 until May 2016. She is only one member of the family. My main duties there is taking good care of one disabled old female 70 years old with half-body stroke. I assist her to stand, I assist her to walk, I assist her to go to the bathroom, I assist her to do exercise every day. I feed her, I give her water, I give her medicine on time. Also, I do the cleaning the house, do the laundry, gardening, and cooking healthy foods. And for my second employer, I worked for them for 2 years, starting July 2016 until September 2018. My main duties there is taking good care of 2 kids, 5 years old female, and 2 years old disabled boy with epilepsy seizure. I assist the disabled boy to stand and to sit. I feed him, I give him water, I give him medicine on time. For the 5 years old girl, I always prepare her pack lunch in school and I always send her to school. And also, I do the cleaning the house, do the laundry, and taking good care of their pets, and cooking healthy foods. To my future employers in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper because I am loyal, I am honest, I am a hardworking woman. I will follow the rules and regulation of my employers. Also, I will serve your family as well. Also, I love your children as my own. Thank you very much for giving me a chance to introduce myself. Thank you.